Hello, it's Hamish. Here's how you can set up a checkout upsell just like David Protein, where if a customer's not at your free shipping threshold, all they have to do is click yes, I want free shipping, and we'll load the highest converting product into their cart so they get free shipping elegantly, just like that. To set these up, open up our app's dashboard and head to the Order Upsell section on the left-hand sidebar. You're going to click Create Strategy and select the one-click free shipping option, as that's what I was just demoing. If you create strategy, we will pre-populate a standardized template, which is honestly perfect for most merchants. There are a couple options that you might want to customize, like the name, for example, or the markets that this applies to. Free shipping source will show up the top. This is for merchants who perhaps don't use Shopify for their shipping rates or delivery profiles, in which case you'd need to manually set free shipping thresholds because we're looking to Shopify for that data. And if you don't use Shopify or don't store it there, you won't be able to know when a customer is not at free shipping. So you can manually set these here if need be. You can then come down to product modules and you'll see by default what order editing is going to recommend or what our recommendation is. So first start with products the customer has viewed on the website and then fall back onto what we describe as the best product. Now this is the best selling item on your store that's within a $20 or $30 margin of how much the customer needs to get above the free shipping threshold. For example, if the customer needs $40, needs to spend $40 to get awarded free shipping, we'll show them your best selling product that costs between $40 and $70. Now you can rearrange these if you'd like, or you can add an entirely new module. For example, maybe you always want to upsell a specific product to get a customer above the free shipping threshold. You can grab this, pull up to the top, configure, and select the product that this would be. Let's choose this hammock, for example. If you save, how this will then work is that every single customer who lands on checkout that's not yet at free shipping will get recommended this recycled hammock as the product to take them above the threshold, and it'll embed directly in the box. Alternatively, you may set up multiple free shipping upsells. And this one, for example, might be for customers who buy men's products, and you can put that in the title. The way that you'd work this now is you perhaps create a rule and say, did the customer purchase from a collection? You could then select the men's collection, for example, and then choose a specific product upsell or a specific group of products that are within your men's collection so that men don't get recommended women's items to get above the free shipping threshold. Once you're done, you can publish this strategy and then we'll be able to see a preview of this in checkout and ultimately go live with this new checkout upsell. Now that that's published, let's go to your checkout settings in Shopify and open up a draft checkout or the checkout in which you want to preview the new upsell. Let's load in a postcode into checkout preview so that we actually get to see the shipping rates. Then it's as simple as going onto your left-hand sidebar and adding an app block underneath your delivery/shipping area. And what we're looking for here is Order Editing's free shipping upsell. If I add this, you'll see it'll automatically load in a preview of a product and you'll be able to scroll through and imagine how this works for customers. Make sure you click Include App Block in ShopPay and automatically expand sections to show the app. This means that it will show in ShopPay and it will automatically load out for all customers instead of being hidden. You save this and then see beautifully how this might work for customers, and that if they come to checkout and they're not at your free shipping threshold, see a product recommendation, they'll click yes, I want free shipping, and it will automatically add to their order just like that, just like our merchants like David Protein have done on their checkouts. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can always find our intercom or our support channel in the bottom right-hand corner. We typically reply within 30 minutes. Cheers.